Hi, today let's read this book, See the Birds. Now please read the keywords after me one by one. Place, place, park, park, hole, hole, pond, pond, hot, hot, cold, cold. Okay, now let's read the book, See the Birds. Where do birds live? Birds live in many places. This bird lives in a park. The bird has a nest in the park. Look into the nest. What do you see? This bird lives in the woods. It makes a hole in a tree. Look into the hole. What do you see? This bird lives in a pond. It has a nest in the pond. Some birds live by the sea. They fly out over the water. They come back to the shore. They make their nests in the rocks. Some birds live in hot places. Some birds live in cold places. Birds live in many places. Look out the window. Can you see any birds?